Want to level up your game library but only have Cash App on hand? Let's make it happen. First, open your Cash App. Make sure you have enough balance to cover the game you want to buy, plus a little extra for any potential fees. Next, tap on the card icon at the bottom left of the screen. This brings up your Cash App virtual debit card. Tap Show Card Details to reveal your virtual card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Keep these details private. Now, head over to Steam and find the game you're itching to play. Add it to your cart like you normally would. During checkout, select credit card as your payment method. This is where your Cash App card comes in handy. Carefully enter your Cash App virtual card number, expiration date, and CVV code into the corresponding fields. Double-check everything to avoid errors. Enter your billing address. Make sure the name, address, and zip code all match your account details on Cash App. Complete the purchase, and get ready to download and enjoy your new game.